This is Malam Mari from Best Living Trollad. This is a brand new floor plan. It's a brand new 2025 Springdale by Keystone 241 FK, which is being 24 foot, tip to tip to around 26 and some change. Front kitchen, outdoor kitchen. So you can see here, there's a place for bed, outside grill, endless hot water heater, power awning, big panorama windows, 3-step to get in, 220 watt solar panel, 4 stabilizer jack, power awning with LED, backup camera, leopard expandable ladder, spare tire on the cover, and it's a 241, two slide out, one in the bedroom, one in the living room, outside shower, sandy flush kit, power hookup, city water connections, and as usual, Keystone Springdale, 3 years structural warranty, 1 year tip to tip, full views on the roof. Come with a 2 propane tank, electric stabilizer jack. This is the 3-year warranty. Let's hot water heater. Let's go inside, see the 241 FK. I'm sitting here relaxed. It is nice, beautiful theater scene. Voila! And you could put a big TV across from you and enjoy the nice view. Now, this unit, Springdale, they decide, okay, everybody wants for the kitchen, they need kitchen counter space, so they came up with the humongous, I mean, look how big this storage, the counter space. Again, you could put your TV here if you want, or if you don't want TV, it's no problem, but you have a nice kitchen counter space, nice bar stools, so you could sit here and eat. It's a two people coach. Mostly it's for his and her. So, but you could bring people with you. Plenty counter space, plenty of room. Look, here's how big the prep area on the right side of the sink. Another big area. Look how deep it is. So to the left of the sink, a lot of cabin. If you tell me storage on this trailer and counter space, I don't know what to say. I mean, because it has even huge. I don't know what you're gonna fill these cabinet with. And you tell me counter space. What do you need more than this? Huge! They did it right. They did it really right. 241 FK. A lot of kitchen counter space. A lot of cabinet. A lot of doors. Place for trash cans. Plenty place for trash can, cooking pan, silverware, tinsels. You name it. 3-burner range with convection, electric microwave, as well oven, electric oven, big pantry, and then they give you the 10.7 cubic, almost 11 feet. Fridge and freezer, full volt. You want more pantry? There it is, another pantry for you. And when it's set, 241 counter space, storage, cabinets, a lot of pantries, a lot of space. And it has a beautiful 2 slide out, and all of that is 2 slide out. If you don't want to see your bedroom and your bathroom, no big deal. It's right here. Just shut this door. Voila! Nobody could see anything. Nobody could see my bedroom. Nobody could see my bathroom. Also, if you come here, what else you need? A nice, beautiful queen bed slide out, facing a huge closet. Look how big this closet. Close doors. And a nice desk. You could use it as a computer desk, office, or makeup. Put my mirror here. I can put my laptop, work from my bedroom, and while I'm traveling, I can see a nice view. I can see the nice river, oceans, forest. Unfortunately, you see here RVs. But imagine you have your laptop, you're sitting working from your campground. Place for computers or offices. And again, ladies, if you don't want to take computer with you to go camping, well, this is a place where you put your nice mirrors with makeup. You could dress up. You could have like a master suite, like shutting this door. Watch, look. Now I have master suite. Nobody see my bedroom. Nobody see me when I dressed up. Nobody see me when I taking showers, shaving, dressing, and all of that. So it's very roomy. Linen closets. Again, I don't know what you're gonna throw. There's a lot of storage. For a sink, mirrors, and then a huge shower, standing shower. Look at the elbows, no issue. plenty of space, plenty of room, nice queen bed, and all the queen have, look, all the storage. You could access from outside, access from inside. Huge, huge, huge when it comes to storage. Also, you gotta tell me, I don't want nobody to see my bedroom even when they go to the bathroom. Okay, no problem. Close this door. Nobody see your bedroom. And they could use the living room and the bathroom without seeing the bedroom. A lot of windows, like this room. Will come in windows here. You have huge big panorama, another one here. Shelf for your glass of water or your phone when you go play with your phone before you go to bed. You name it. A lot of room, a lot of storage, a lot of space. It's all 241. And the most important thing, we have this in on a price. Shop, shop, shop. No one could match Best RV prices. Come to Best RV